Hi there, welcome to the next video, and in this video I will show you how you can create nested functions within a Python. So first of all, why we create a nested functions? So let's see an example. If you remember from one of my previous video, if I just go a little bit up and show you one of the function where we return multiple argument. Yeah, this one. So what it is happening over here, that we are passing two different radius and then we are calculating the area 1 and area 2 and then returning the areas. What if we have, let's say, 10 different calculations or maybe 100 different calculations, would you write the 100 areas over here? Well, that wouldn't be efficient, right? So that's where the nested function comes into the picture. Okay, so what we will do is we will go down over here again and try define first main function and then the nested function and pass on this complex calculations, repeated calculations into it. Okay, so first of all, import math to access Py, import math, and then define circle underscore areas and maybe radius 1 and radius 2. You can have a number of radius which you want, colon, and I don't know why I entered shift enter. I should have entered it just the line. Okay, after this we need to define the nested function. So to do that, again define process circle, right? So you can give any name. I've just given so that I can process these circle areas, and let's give one argument which is radius, right? After that we need to define the calculation. So our calculation is area is equals to math dot pi multiply with radius and square. Finally return area. So far we are good with the internal function. So what it is doing, it is accepting the argument radius based on the multiple parameters which is coming over here. So it is accepting one by one and returning the area. That's what it is happening. Now we need to return the value for the main function. So how we can do that, and that's basically the catch. So return, and as you know that if we have multiple parameters, then we use tuples to return the values. So here in the return function, first of all, let's open and close the parenthesis and then call the inner function from the main function. So our inner function is process underscore circle, and we want to pass the radius 1 and after a comma again call process underscore circle and say radius 2, right? So if you have 3, 4, 5, you simply call the inner function and return the values, and when you return, it processes this thing and return the area for each of this call. Alright, let's go ahead and execute this, and now let's again specify a1 and a2 and call circle underscore areas and again 12.5 and maybe 25.7. execute it, print a1 which is this, a2 which is 2074. So this is one of the ways where we are creating a function within a function, and that's why it is called nested function, and it helps to automate those multiple lines which we could have written like for this particular operation for each of the radius parameter. So that's how you can create nested function. And as an example, again you can use circumference as one of your exercise which you have been doing and quite become an expert into the data and the formula for the circumference of a circle, and you basically define the inner function for that and get the output.